Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a QR code. So you can add this QR code to anything digital or print, so flyers, pop-bys, anything like that. I'm going to be adding it to my business card today. So the first step you're going to want to do is pull up the design you've already designed. So this is my business card that I already made. And then I'm going to scroll down to the left-hand side of the Canva menu all the way down till I see QR code. You click on that, and then it says enter URL. So I'm going to be pulling it from my website. So you're just going to copy the URL and then paste it here. And then on this little drop down right here, you can customize the colors of your QR code. So I think I want to do a gray, like a gray blue, and then I'll make the foreground color of it white. Then you're going to hit generate QR code and it's going to pop up right on your screen. And then you're also able to resize it and drag it around wherever you need it to be. And there you have it, guys. That is how you create a QR code for anything that you may need for marketing purposes.